In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix DocuSign error 400 quickly and easily. If you're trying to send an envelope, prepare a document, or access your DocuSign dashboard and suddenly get hit with a 400 error, don't worry. This is a common issue, and in most cases, it can be resolved in just a few minutes. I'll walk you through 5 simple steps to get DocuSign working again. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software fixes just like this. Now, let's jump right in. Step 1 is to verify the email format. One of the most common causes of DocuSign error 400 happens when there's an issue with the email address entered for a recipient. Go to your DocuSign send page and carefully check the recipient email field. Make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the email address. Confirm that the email includes the @ symbol and a valid domain name like .com, .net, or your organization's domain. Even a small typo, such as a missing letter or an accidental comma instead of a period, can trigger a 400 error. If you find any mistakes, correct them and try sending the document again. If the email looks correct and you're still seeing the error, move to Step 2, refresh and try again. Sometimes the issue is temporary and caused by a minor session glitch in your browser. Simply refresh the page using the refresh button, or press Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac. After the page reloads, attempt the same action again, whether that's sending the envelope or opening the document. In many cases, this simple refresh clears the temporary error. If refreshing doesn't solve the problem, Step 3 is to log out and log back in. Session timeouts or authentication conflicts can sometimes trigger a 400 error. To do this, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of DocuSign and select Log Out. Once you're logged out completely, close the browser tab, reopen it, and then sign back into your DocuSign account. After logging in again, try repeating the action that caused the error. This resets your session and often resolves hidden login conflicts. Next, if the issue continues, Step 4 is to try using Incognito mode or a different browser. Browser extensions, cached data, or corrupted cookies can interfere with DocuSign and lead to a 400 error. Open a new incognito or private browsing window in your browser and sign into DocuSign from there. If it works in incognito mode, that usually means your regular browser cache or an extension is causing the problem. You can then clear your browser cache and cookies or disable extensions one by one to identify the culprit. Alternatively, switch to another browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox and test DocuSign there. Finally, Step 5 is to check DocuSign system status. Occasionally, the problem isn't on your end at all. DocuSign servers may be experiencing temporary outages or maintenance. Go to the official DocuSign status page and check if there are any reported service disruptions. If there's an active incident, you'll simply need to wait until DocuSign resolves it. These outages are usually fixed quickly. So, to quickly recap, first, verify the email format carefully. Second, refresh the page and try again. Third, log out and log back in. Fourth, use incognito mode or switch browsers. And fifth, check the DocuSign system status. One of these steps will resolve the majority of DocuSign error 400 issues. And that's it. You now know how to fix DocuSign error 400 step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.